Did you know that just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds can provide almost half your daily fiber needs and more omega-3s than some servings of salmon? These tiny seeds are packed with nutrition. Stick around to find out how chia seeds can transform your diet and health. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your name, and today we're exploring one of the most powerful superfoods out there, chia seeds. These little seeds have been used for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans, who prized them for their incredible energy-boosting properties. In this video, we'll uncover why chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, how they can benefit your health, and the simple ways you can incorporate them into your daily meals. If you're looking to supercharge your diet, this is the perfect place to start. Many people today face challenges in maintaining a balanced diet. A lack of fiber in meals can lead to digestive issues, low energy, and even weight gain. Another common issue is the limited intake of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain and heart health, especially for those who don't consume a lot of fish or plant-based sources. Protein is another nutrient that many of us don't get enough of, particularly if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. And let's not forget the challenge of finding convenient, healthy options in a busy lifestyle. The good news is that chia seeds can help solve these problems. They're easy to use, incredibly versatile, and pack a nutritional punch that can address many of the dietary gaps we face today. Chia seeds offer an impressive range of health benefits. They're an excellent source of fiber, which supports digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. This can prevent bloating and constipation, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized. These seeds are also a fantastic plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart and brain health. Omega-3s can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular function. In addition to fiber and omega-3s, chia seeds provide plant-based protein, making them a great option for building and repairing tissues, especially for those on plant-based diets. They also contain essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants that help combat free radicals in the body. This not only supports a healthy immune system but also slows down the effects of aging and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. One of the most unique features of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water and form a gel-like consistency. When consumed, this helps you feel fuller for longer, which can aid in weight management by reducing unnecessary snacking. Another benefit is their versatility. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, mixed into oatmeal or yogurt, sprinkled on salads, or even used as a thickening agent in recipes. They don't have a strong flavor, so they blend seamlessly into a variety of dishes. Let's dive into some of the most exciting findings about chia seeds. Research shows that their antioxidants not only protect cells from damage but also reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and many chronic diseases. Studies have also highlighted the role of chia seeds in regulating blood sugar levels. By slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates, chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar, making them a great addition for anyone managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. On top of that, their mineral content, particularly calcium and magnesium, makes them an excellent choice for supporting strong bones, especially for those who don't consume dairy. These properties make chia seeds more than just a trendy superfood, they're a staple for improving overall health. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can address many common nutritional gaps. They support digestion, heart health, bone strength, and weight management, while also providing essential omega-3s, protein, and antioxidants. These small seeds are easy to use, versatile, and accessible, making them a simple yet powerful addition to your meals. Whether you're looking to boost energy, support your heart, or maintain a healthy weight, chia seeds are a great place to start. Have you tried chia seeds? How do you like to use them in your meals? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health and nutrition tips, and check out our next video on other incredible superfoods you can easily add to your diet. Thanks for watching.